The goal of my project is to determine the role of astrocytes in fear and anxiety behaviors. So astrocytes, when they were first discovered, were thought to not play a significant role in the nervous system by any means. It was thought that they were just there to provide structural support for neurons. It was then later discovered that they actually play a role in the blood-brain barrier, that they remove neurotransmitters from synapses, and they provide nutrients for various neural tissues. It was thought that was the extent of their importance until about 10 years ago, when it was discovered that astrocytes also propagate calcium and in response to stimuli, and that they release gliotransmitters, and also that they interact directly with neurons on synapses, which is called a tripartite synapse. So as many of you guys, I'm sure, know, the amygdala is a region in the brain that is involved in fear and anxiety behaviors. And until now, it was thought that these behaviors are the result of simply neural activity. But based off of what I just said about the role of astrocytes and our understanding of their increasing importance, it is now believed that astrocytes likely also contribute to such behaviors in the amygdala. So for my project, I'm using a technique called fiber photometry, where I'm able to record calcium activity in both neurons and astrocytes simultaneously in an awake and freely moving mouse. So what I do is I put these mice through a fear conditioning paradigm, and I record their calcium and their neural and astrocytic activity, and I'm going to analyze the calcium activity within these neurons and astrocytes in response to certain fear stimuli and fear behaviors. So this is important because anxiety disorders and fear disorders are extremely prevalent in our society. There are not good treatments for things such as PTSD and anxiety, and within a lifetime, almost 30% of people will get some kind of anxiety-related disorder. So my research will help understand the cellular mechanisms behind astrocytic behavior involved in such fear behaviors, and hopefully this will help find treatments for these currently rather untreatable and difficult to understand behaviors.